comes to your mind when you think about people with Alzheimer's disease?
Naawa ako sa kanila kasi parang powerless sila. Like, wala silang magawa sa buhay. Nakakalungkot kasi they're suffering from this disease. Para silang mga taong walang kaluluwa eh. Parang present sila, pero they're not really there.
Naaawa ko sa pamilya nila kasi kailangan nilang alagaan araw-araw ang kanilang mahal sa buhay na may ganitong sakit. Kawawa sila kasi walang magagawa para sa kanila.
But what really is Alzheimer's disease?
Alzheimer's disease is a chronic brain illness that leads to dementia. It's the most frequent form of dementia actually, impacting memory and social abilities.
One of the first signs of Alzheimer's disease is memory loss. Other common symptoms of this disease are poor judgment, losing track of important information, repeating questions, mood and personality changes, anxiety, and many more.
There are a lot of misconceptions about patients with Alzheimer's disease. People think that they're powerless, empty-shelled sufferers who aren't capable of accomplishing anything in life, when that simply is not true.
Though they have a disease, it is important to note that they are still capable of accomplishing a lot of things that most people can do. They are still people who deserve to be respected and cared for.
Even at this time, there are a lot of ongoing stigmas against patients with this disease because not a lot of people are educated about it. And that's why we are here.
Living Minds Alliance aims to help educate people about Alzheimer's disease so that they are more aware about it and to stop the spread of stereotypes and stigmas that harm patients.
Our goal is to create a society where people with this disease are respected, cared for, and completely included in their communities, and where families and caregivers are equipped with the understanding and resources necessary to provide compassionate care.
For us to be able to effectively spread awareness about Alzheimer's disease, we are offering our interactive website, which aims to help educate people about the disease in a more fun and informative way. This website includes facts about the disease, links leading to the stories of patients who have experienced Alzheimer's, and many more. Pero sa topic natin, may natandaan ako. Tandaan ko yung lola ko na may Alzheimer's rin. Kaya mas nag-i-informed ako kung paano siya matutulungan dahil sa paggawa natin ng website natin.
Kaya para sa huling feature ng aming website ay maglalagay rin kami ng real-life stories ng mga patients na diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease.
Interesting. Tandaan ko nga na usually lolo ko. Tinuturot ako dahil nga daw ako ng bata ko. Pero ngayon, yun natin pag-usapan.
Hindi naman. Pero I think it's about time we wrap things up na, no? Hope to see you in our next vlog. Bye!